What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Snaptain A15H 4-axis foldable drone. This drone is really cool. They sent this over to me to go ahead and test out here on the channel, and this video is actually going to be in two parts. So the first part is going to be the unboxing, and the second part is actually going to be the flight and function test. So if you're only interested in the flight and function test, go ahead and click this link up here in the top corner, and that'll lead you over to that video. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and check out all the specs and everything here. So let's go ahead and just check out the box. So this is what actually you get sent over from Amazon, and it lists some of the functions here. So you get things like optical flow positioning. Let's see, you get 2 cameras, mark and track, voice control, which is really cool. Let's see, you get gestures for video and photos. So basically you can give hand gestures to this drone to make it, do certain things. You've got 1 key takeoff and landing, circle fly, trajectory flight, headless mode, 1 key return. Let's see, speed switch, and then emergency stop. Let's go ahead and just finish checking out the box here. So it's got a few warnings on the back. Obviously check those out if you decide to get this model. And it does show here that it's for ages 14 plus. I did check with the company. This drone does not have to be registered with the FFA because it weighs less than 0.55 grams, so that's a really good thing about it. And just the design of it, I really like the design as well. Let's go ahead and open it up now. So this just slides right off the top, and then you've got the interior box here. Let me get this out of the way. And then to actually open it up, you just got a little piece of tape here. Just cut that tape and go ahead and we'll see what's inside. So let's see how it's packaged here. Looks like this just slides right out, and then everything's in there. So this box is empty now. We'll go ahead and get that out of the way. Alright, so it looks like it comes with a 12-month warranty, which is pretty cool. I've had other drones from Snaptain, so I've tested these out before. I really like their products. This is just the newest one they've sent me. So it comes with 4 prop guards. I'm probably not going to be using these, but if you want to use them on yours, you can install them with just a simple screw that comes included with the kit. We'll put this out of the way over here. Let's see what else comes in here. So this just pops right off. This is your warranty, so you might want to keep that. I'm going to get it out of the way for now. Alright, and then yeah, this is what actually comes in the packaging here. So let's take the drone out and take a look at it. So it's really nice. It's a lightweight drone. I really like the design of it. Let's open up the arms. Let's see, it looks like, okay, they open up like this, just like most drones. Yeah, just snap each of the arms out, and that's pretty much it. So it's already ready to go. We basically just need to charge the batteries, and the batteries slide right in here. The batteries take around an hour and a half to charge, and then they have about a 12-minute flight time. You do get 2 batteries with this kit, which is cool. So with both of them, you get around 24 minutes of flight time. Yeah, here's the camera on it here. It actually comes with a little lens cap. This is a 1080p camera, and this cap just pops right off. So yeah, 1080p, so you can get some pretty good shots with it. I'm going to leave the lens cap on right now. This camera also can tilt down all the way to 90 degrees, so straight down if you want, or straight forward, and anywhere in between. It is a manual camera, so you just have to basically move this where you want before the flight. But with a 1080p, it should get some really good shots. But yeah, it looks like this is the on-off button here right up at the top. It's got 2 white LEDs in the front. That way you just know which angle the front is. And that's pretty much the drone. So a simple drone, very lightweight. And like I said, I've tested out Snaptain before. I really like their products. So I have no doubt this will be a great drone. Let's set this over here, and let's check out the rest. So now we'll check out the controller. And I really like this controller. It's a high quality controller. It reminds me more of an Xbox controller than a drone controller, but it's clearly labeled. So some of the buttons here, you've got 1 button takeoff. You've got 1 button landing, which is really cool. Looks like you can turn the lights on and off with this button, and then this is labeled stop, so we'll be testing that. I guess that's an emergency stop. We've got the calibrate button, the on-off button for this controller. Let's see over here. So we've got the auto return home right here. We've got headless mode. We can change the speed with this button, and then we've got circle fly. And then up here we've got some more buttons. So this one on the left will engage the photo on the drone. So basically it activates the camera if you'd like. And then the one on the right is the video. And then here, this is what holds your smartphone. So your phone will connect via Wi-Fi to this drone, so you will be using this here, and basically your phone will slide right in right there, and we'll be testing that as well. But that's pretty much it for the controller. Well, it does take batteries here. I believe it's 3 AAA If that's incorrect, I'll put it up here on the screen, but I think you need to get 3 AAA batteries for this controller. So we'll put the controller out of the way, and let's see what else comes included. On the back here, looks like you get a little pouch, and let's see, want new product release for free. Oh, it looks like they have a loyalty program that you can join as well for their future product releases. If you want to check that out, just basically if you order the drone, you can go through that as well. And it looks like, let's see, I think the owner manual is in this package as well. It's taped to the back, so definitely go through the owner's manual. If you have any questions, a lot of the questions will be answered in there. We'll get that out of the way. And then finally, in this pack, the last thing it looks like is a little accessory kit. Oh, and then I'll drop something. I'll drop the screwdriver, so I don't really need that. That's for the prop guards right now. I'll pick that up here in a minute. But yeah, so the last thing in the package is you have your 2 batteries. Like I said, they each have about a 12-minute flight time and take around 90 minutes to charge. We'll put those there. And then, looks like it comes with a battery charger. Let's see, it actually comes with, I think, 2 battery chargers. Yeah, so it comes with 2 battery chargers, one for each battery. That way you can charge them at the same time, which is helpful. It comes with some extra blades. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, oh, if any of your blades ever mess up, it comes with extra here. You can just easily swap those out with the included screwdriver. And like I said, these prop guards, you can put these on as well if you'd like. Like I said, I'm not going to be using them, but if you want, you can. So that's pretty much it. This is everything that comes included with the kit. I'll go ahead, I'm going to get these batteries plugged in, that way we can go ahead and get this outside and start testing it. Once everything's charged up, we'll head outside, we'll test out a lot of the functions and see exactly how this drone works. But overall, for the price, I really like this. If you'd like to check out the current price on Amazon, I will leave a link in the description below. You can go over all the specs and reviews as well if you'd like. But yeah, let's go ahead and get everything charged up and then get outside and let's test this drone out.